Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to make LinkedIn open to work on mobile in 2025. If you're job hunting or just exploring new opportunities, signaling that you're open to work on LinkedIn can make a huge difference. It's easier than ever with the latest updates to the app, and I'll walk you through it step by step on your mobile device. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother? In 2025, LinkedIn's algorithm prioritizes profiles that show you're actively seeking roles, which can boost your visibility to recruiters. Plus, it's a simple way to network without extra effort. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the LinkedIn app installed on your iOS or Android device. Open the app and log in if you haven't already. Step 1. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile overview. Once there, scroll down a bit until you see the Open to Work section. It's usually right under your bio or in the Job Preferences area, thanks to LinkedIn's 2025 redesign for better mobile accessibility. Step 2. Tap on Open to Work to expand the options. You'll see a toggle switch or button to enable it. Go ahead and turn it on. Now, customize your settings. Who can see this? You might want to limit it to recruiters only for a more professional approach, or make it public if you're open to connections from anyone. Step 3. Add some details to make your profile pop. Write a quick note about what kind of roles you're interested in, like seeking marketing roles in tech, or open to remote project management positions. Hit save, and you're good to go. One quick tip. Double-check your privacy settings to ensure everything aligns with your comfort level. And if you run into any issues, like the feature not showing up, try updating the app or restarting your device. It's a common fix in 2025's faster app ecosystems. There you have it, folks. You've just made your LinkedIn profile open to work on mobile. This small step could lead to big opportunities, so give it a try and start connecting. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more career tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.